Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the capture keys are available and your screen shows exactly what you need. On Windows, locate PRT-SC or plan to press Windows plus Shift plus S. On Mac, use CMD plus Shift plus 4 for region. Once done, close pop-ups and set display scale so pixel size matches output. You want to avoid retakes, so position Windows and cursor. Now take the first action. Press the shortcut for the capture type you chose and watch for the screen response. Once you triggered the capture, act quickly to preserve the image. If you used PRT-SC, open Paint or your editor and paste so the file can be edited and saved. Clipboard clears if you copy again. If you used Windows plus Shift plus S, use the snip preview to save or paste directly. Snip and Sketch stores recent snips. On Mac, the default creates a desktop file. Hold Control to copy instead. Make sure to name and choose PNG or JPG to keep quality. You finish by exporting and confirming the screenshot quality. Save with a clear file name and pick PNG for crisp text or JPG for smaller size. Make sure file dimensions match your needs, then move or upload. If nothing appears after pressing keys, check that your screenshot tool has permission to record the screen, verify keyboard drivers, and confirm display scaling isn't interfering. If problems persist, install a lightweight dedicated app, which gives consistent results and extra features like delayed capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.